What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. So check it out. I got some good news today. I'm happy. I'm super excited. It's delivery day. That's right, it's delivery day. I got my parts in. Well, I'm gonna switch that. I didn't get my parts in. The shop got my parts in. So, yo, let's take a look and see what we got, right? So, oh wait, that's not the new stuff. This is all the damaged stuff right here. She still looks so bad, man. This looks so bad. And here we go. This is the main piece right here. But now, we'll say that for last. So, a little bit of support bracket. Got the lower, that lower panel that was all, had the little, man, nut plate. That's what it was. Man, I was searching for words, man. It's crazy. Had the nut plates that was pulled through. So that's that. This is, oh, this is that front grill, the one that's like thoroughly smashed. Man, trying to one-hand it over here. But you get the picture. And if you notice, this is the one, yeah, this is the one where your trunk release button goes through there. So that's that. What else we got? Looks like we got some hoses. That's a new radiator. Another shield. Here's the wheel liner. That came in. The hoses. I don't want to do any more damage to it. There we go. That's all my hoses and everything. The ones that got smashed. And then the bumper support structure. Now, this whole part wasn't needed. It was just this part right here. And this end was, or maybe it's this end, I think it's upside down. But that end was smashed, but it comes as one unit. So you have no choice but to get the whole thing. Put this back up on the shelf. And then we have the main attraction. I'm super shocked because told me this wasn't coming in for like a whole another month or so, but it came in, the front bumper. So this joker will get painted to match, prep, painted, and installed. So there you have it. All my parts came in. I'm super excited. I'm so excited, man. And there you go, just like that. Done deal. Everything's in. So shortened time frame. I'm thinking next week. Next week I should be rolling again. So we'll see. But yo, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, that like button, the bell notification thing, and then get at your boy. All right, later.